Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we're going to show you how to fix star rail not working in OBS game capture mode. So pretty easy fix. So just go and find your star rail icon, so the one you're launching the game from. If you're launching from Epic Games, you need to switch because it won't work. So this is mine here. Just right click on it, go to properties. Once you have the window open, just change to the compatibility tab and then you'll see a couple of options. So here, make sure compatibility mode is enabled and leave it set to Windows 8. I don't know why this works, but it does. Then change the option down here to run program as administrator. Make sure it's ticked, then click apply, then click OK. Restart your computer once, then you should be able to open up OBS and it should be working. So I'll just bring OBS across to the other screen. Here, I don't have game capture enabled because if I do enable it, it's going to screw up the recording. But just go to it, select capture specific window, and then make sure star rail is set. So I'm just going to launch the game now and it should detect it. Okay, so the game is running, so I'll just enable game capture and you should see it up on the screen. There you go, so that's all there is to it. It's working simple, straightforward. Obviously, I'm not resizing anything here because I'm not actually going to record it, but there you go, that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and I also want to mention that you can use the same fix here for Genshin Impact. So if you're playing Genshin and you have screen recording problems, the same fix works. Anyway, that wraps it up for this one. See you in the next video, guys. Take it easy.